Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel Health and Maintenance. Today we are going to prepare a healthy recipe which can be used as a breakfast and also a snack. It's tofu sandwich. Now first, let's know the benefits of tofu sandwich. It has high protein content which helps for bodybuilders. It helps in weight loss. It is anti-diabetic food. It helps to maintain healthy skin and it's completely vegan food. Tofu is very good for health as it has zero cholesterol. Tofu sandwich process has mainly two steps. One is the preparation of tofu stuffing and the other is grilling the bread and stuffing. Now first let's fry the tofu till it turns brown. Here we are only frying the tofu. If you want, you can fry the veggies also, but we don't suggest that as all the nutrient values will flow away. Once the tofu is fried, let it cool down. Then mash the tofu as shown so that it will be easy to mix with the veggies. Now let's prepare the tofu stuffing by adding the veggies. Mix all the vegetables. Instead of cutting vegetables, grate them so that it would be easy to stuff in the sandwich. We have added a little mayo so that all the ingredients stick together. If you want to avoid mayo, you can choose salad dressing also. Now our tofu stuffing is ready. Let's apply the sandwich spread on the bread slices. Now, once you apply the sandwich spread on all the bread slices, start putting the tofu stuffing. Once the slices are filled with the stuffing, cover it with the lettuce. In the meanwhile, preheat the sandwich toaster for 2 minutes. Then apply little olive oil on the toaster. Place the bread on the toaster for grill. Different toasters have different mechanism of grill. Here, once the sandwich is completely grilled, it blinks both the lights together. Now you can see how it works. Remove the sandwich from the toaster. Now you can see how easily the healthy tofu sandwich is prepared in just 2 minutes. Cut it into either 2 halves or any triangle shape as per your need. Here is a small tip for you. To save the time, you can prepare your stuffing in more quantity and store it so that you can prepare your tofu sandwich quickly. I hope you liked the recipe. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel Health and Maintenance. Thank you.